I think I messed up my Ford Escape's wireless charger. But fixing it might be easier than you think. Let's walk through it. First things first, double check that your phone actually supports wireless charging. Not all phones do, and cases can sometimes block the signal. Try removing your case and setting your phone directly on the pad. Next, make sure your Ford Escape is actually on, not just in accessory mode. The charger usually won't work unless the car is running. Look for a green light near the charging pad. No light? There might be an issue. Check if anything's stuck in the charging area. Dust, coins, or even a parking ticket can mess things up. Clear it out for the best connection. Still no luck? Try rebooting your phone. Sounds basic, but sometimes it's all you need. And if you've recently spilled a drink or had a messy snack near the console, wipe everything down. Moisture can cause problems too. Now, if your wireless charger still isn't working, it could be a blown fuse or a technical fault. Check your owner's manual for the fuse location or schedule a checkup with your Ford dealer. So, before you panic, run through these steps. Your Ford Escape's wireless charger might just need a little extra attention.